Hey there, Monopoly Go players! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will show you how to block someone on the game to make your gaming experience more enjoyable. Whether it's to avoid spam or maintain a friendly environment, blocking can be a useful tool. But before we jump into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out to any of our latest content. Okay, I'm here at the monopolygo.com. So if you are using the website, you can go to the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but monopolygo.com is compatible to any type of browsers if you're using Brave, Safari, Firefox. So this website is will load easily, and then or you can basically open your Monopoly Go on your app. So if you're in the website, just click on the App Store here and the Google Play. Once you are on your Monopoly Go app, log into your account, okay? Make sure you're signed in before proceeding. Inside the app, you'll need to locate the player's profile that you want to block. It can typically be found by tapping in their username. It's usually located near their avatar or in the in-game menu, all right? If you've seen that, once you're on the player's profile, you should see an option to access player options. This is where you'll find actions like blocking. Look for the block player option and tap on it, and it'll initiate the blocking process. And a confirmation message will typically pop up to ensure you want to block the player. Confirm that, and the player will be blocked. And if you ever want to unblock a player, you can usually find the option to manage your blocked list in your account setting. And that's it. You've successfully blocked a player on Monopoly Go. This can be a handy feature for maintaining a positive gaming experience. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.